Hey, great idea to warn the birds.
I didn't mean...
And now nobody's using the birdhouse. We're going to have to sit here all day waiting for them to come back.
That's going to take a lot of...
Don't say it.
patience!
Pointy, my point is sharp and pointy. Pointy, pointy, pointy.
That was atrocious.
Aw.
Who's next?
We are.
Close your eyes. Go to sleep.
Let your prefrontal cortex emit melatonin and lose consciousness.
Ow!
That wasn't very lullaby-like.
But look, it worked, so you pass.
Good enough. I'm not good enough.